Hello Mzansi, Syacela was spotted standing on the queue for 350 Rand grant. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest Mugosi. Syacela Dlamuka aka Ustupetu grew up in Ulundu in KwaZulu-Natal. He got married to Thando Dlamuka at a young age. He dropped out of school doing grade 10. A photo of him standing on the queue for 350 grand surfaced online. So it got me thinking about how could Syacela be standing on a queue for 350 grand, where else he just made money this year from Isencane Lengane, and he got paid plus minus 50,000 rand. So I don't know how these shows they go about payments, but around those figures. So at one point of Isencane Lengane episodes, Syacela planned to open a tavern with his brothers. At some other time, he also, on one of the episode, he planned to become a DJ. So now Mzansi, it is just evident, it is just clear, it's obvious. Syacela and Thando never worked a day in their lives. They are both dropouts, and obviously Udlamuka has many wives that he used to take care of, not Syacela and Thando. So Thando bought furniture for their house in Ulundi, and Syacela also bought a Mini Cooper cash. So obviously the source of income is from the show Isencane Lengane. So Syacela blew it at this point, Mzansi, but who could tell him anything? No one would tell him anything what to do with his life. He is stubborn. So now he is collecting 350 grand from the government. Now Mzansi, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest Mugosi. Bye bye.